गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबडी। ऑप्टिमल सक्सेस ट्रैजेक्टरी के ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आई एम विश्वेंद्र, द फाउंडर ऑफ ऑप्टिमल सक्सेस ट्रैजेक्टरी. टुडे we will discuss a question on the force. The question says that there is a block of mass 20 kg and it's placed on a surface and it is given an initial velocity of 2 meter per second and a force x on it which is t plus 4. The force is time dependent and we need to find the initial acceleration, at graph, vt graph and pt graph. As I told you earlier, whenever you solve a problem, your mind follows certain steps. And if you can learn to synchronize these 4 steps and to manage these 4 steps, then you can have very good problem solving skills. Most of the students aspiring for JEE NEET fails because they don't have problem solving skills. So start learning the art of problem solving skills. You solve questions to learn problem solving skills. Don't try to mug the solution or run away from solving questions. If your mind is filled with fear from the sight of questions, then you won't be able to learn problem solving skills. So learn carefully, learn in steps. Don't run away from yourself. Learn in step. The first step is a silent mind. Whenever you start solving a problem, make sure that you are silent for 10 to 20 seconds. Silence give your mind the time to think and you can generate ideas. You can retrieve the information stored in your mind in a better way. So let's start with the idea. As the question says, we need to find the acceleration. So the first idea is how to find acceleration. The second is we need to draw the graph. So we need to know how the graphs are being drawn. These are the basic ideas behind solving this question. Now let's talk about the information. So we know that acceleration can be found from the force equation. Force is equal to ma, which is second equation of motion for constant mass. So another thing is we need to find velocity. So velocity, we know the relation from first equation of motion, v is u plus integration dt for variable acceleration. Third is an information about straight line graphs. We need to know how to draw the straight line graphs. Then parabolic graphs, we need to know how to draw parabolic graphs. Talking about the calculations, the first thing is F is equal to ma. So F is t plus 4, which is 20 into a, because the mass of the block is 20 kg. So we have t plus 4 is 28. At t is equal to 0, we can say this will be 4 because t will be 0. So we can say 4 is equal to 20a. That means a is equal to 4 by 20. That is 1 by 5. That is 0.2. So the initial acceleration of the block will be 0.2 meter per second square. Let's find instantaneous acceleration. So F is equal to ma, t plus 4 is 20a. That gives you a is equal to t by 20 plus 4 by 20, which is 0.2. So we know that it's equation of a straight line having positive slope and intercept 0.2. So that will be the shape of the graph. I have drawn this graph as dotted because time is not negative. That's very possible to give a certain reference, but we assume that time moves forward and it's not possible to revert it back. But so I have drawn this graph as a dotted one. The next is we know that v is equal to u plus integration dt. So u is 2, a has this value, integration dt under the limit 0 to t. So after solving we get this as v. So since this is a quadratic equation in t, so we know that the graph is to be a parabola. Let's find the vertex of the parabola. For that, just differentiate velocity. So you get this one, and t is equal to minus 0.4. Obviously, the vertex will be at t is minus 0.4 and the value of v will be positive because here it is 2. So if you calculate, v will be positive. So the parabola will be like this, and at t is equal to 0, v is equal to 2. So we can draw the graph. Again, I have drawn the dotted graph because time is not negative. Let's move forward to momentum. Momentum is equal to mass into velocity. So this is the expression differentiated. T is minus 0.4. So P is positive at T is equal to 0. P is 40. So at T is equal to minus 0.4, P is positive. You can draw see it from the calculations. So this will be also a parabola. So the inferences that we can draw from these calculations is that if AT graph is a straight line, then VT and PT graph will be parabolas because of degree of T in that. I hope you got the results. And always do remember, don't try to mug the solution, learn the process of problem solving skills. Only then you will be able to perform in your exam. If your mind is filled with fear, anxiety, depression or any other negative aspect of your personality, you won't be able to perform better. So focus on the art of problem solving skills rather than playing with words and informations. Thank you and have a nice day.